A whole heap of y'all had some information for me on how to cook the perfect steak, and I promise you I'm listening. What I did was I made a very special marinade for use on this steak once I got it grilled to perfection. Now, I don't have an outdoor grill, it's way too hot here, so what I did is I got a griddle from Walmart, and it is absolutely perfect. Turned it way up and just seared it on the outside like so many of y'all suggested that I do. I tried to kind of work it around so not only got both of the large faces of the filet, but also tried to keep it up on the side too to make sure it got seared all the way around. I love my steak rare, so this is the perfect temperature for me. Now the marinade that you're seeing just a little bit higher up in the frame is going to be butter, olive oil, fresh rosemary, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of garlic. Now, I've done a little bit of homework on this, and it seems that the hotter the steak is, whenever you let it rest for maybe 5 minutes, just so that everything sort of comes to an even temperature, and then you start that work with your marinade, it soaks up so beautifully into the steak, and that's exactly what we're going to do here today. Now that it's all off the griddle, I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to coat it in that gorgeous marinade that we made while it was sizzling. Look at that, how beautiful. Is that not perfect? Oh my God, I love it. Raw, almost, with that gorgeous sear on the outside and that rich butter with the herbs of the rosemary, the salt, the pepper, the garlic. This is perfect, friends. If for whatever reason you think it's too cool, you can heat it up by running your plate under hot water before you put it on it, before you eat. It's gorgeous regardless. I'm not even going to bother with a plate. I'm eating it right here off the cutting board. Eat up, y'all. Yes, please.